skirts para sa lalaki o trousers para sa babae. Dito kasi sa Baguio City, pinag-uusapan ngayon ng isang pagbabago o polisiya sa eskwelahan natin, no? So, pinag-uusapan natin if it's a progressive inclusivity o simula ng pagkasira ng campus discipline.
Oh my. Pero alam niyo ba, there's a bigger danger that's actually threatening our children, our youth. The recently naganap na Tacloban shooting has pointed out to something more. So, the recent Senate inquiry that was spearheaded by Senator Risa Hontiveros has just revealed a dark truth. Our kids are being targeted, they're being blackmailed, and they're being engineered by a global cyber terror network called 764. And the recruitment starts right in the gaming apps.
And nakakatakot, no? At habang nangyayari yan, ibinalita ng World Bank na umaasenso na raw ang Pilipinas bilang isang upper middle income country. Magandang balita ba o hindi? Alamin natin yan.
Pakisabi sa wallet ko, walang laman yung wallet ko. Bakit kung kailan gumaganda ang status natin economically on paper, hindi siya nag-translate for us na like, especially sa middle class?
Sa bulsa.
Sa bulsa. Walang laman. Pati Gcash ko.
Yes!
So, pati yung mga, so, is it real? Or is it a UMIC trap?
No? So, tatlong nagbabagang issue this week. Isang araw na pag-uusapan natin kung ano ba yung mga katotohanan o opinion o mga discussions around it. So, ready na ba kayong malaman ng buong kwento sa likod ng mga headlines na ito?
I'm Mia, and we hope that you will join us as we look into the human side of the issues.
And I am Mon, breaking down the facts and the context. Dahil sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa atin dyan, watch the full episode of
Spill the Tea!
by The Lost Stories
And the Mountain Beacon.